In recent years, more and more people in India have taken their own lives because of mental health struggles. Between 2018 and 2022, suicides linked to mental illness increased by 44%, according to NCRB data. The pandemic played a big role in this rise, with 2020 seeing a 25% jump in suicides compared to the previous year. People between the ages of 18 and 45 were the hardest hit, making up 3 out of 5 of these suicides. The COVID-19 pandemic added huge stress to many lives. People were dealing with loss, isolation, job uncertainties, and a sense of fear. For many, it wasn't just the grief of losing loved ones. It felt like a deep, collective trauma that left many struggling to cope. Young people, in particular, found the pressure of school, jobs, and personal challenges even harder to manage during these years. Men make up the majority of suicides linked to mental health, with 72% of such deaths in 2022 being men. Women accounted for 28%, but experts believe this number might not fully reflect the reality. Many suicides among women are likely underreported, with some deaths misclassified as accidents or natural causes. The Indian government is working to tackle this mental health crisis with initiatives like Telemanas, a nationwide helpline that offers free mental health support. The service began in 2022 and provides counseling in 20 languages across 36 states and union territories. In just a few years, it has answered over 1.8 million calls, but experts say there's still much more to be done. They believe that mental health awareness needs to reach every corner of India, and campaigns should be designed to speak directly to people in their own languages, normalizing mental health support and making it accessible to everyone. The biggest concern is how young people are being affected. In 2022, more than 59,000 people aged 18 to 30 died by suicide, followed by over 54,000 suicides in the 30 to 45 age group. Together, these two groups made up 2/3 of all suicides in the country. The pressure young people face, academic stress, job insecurity, and personal problems often leads to depression. And many don't even realize they're struggling until it's too late. In 2022, India saw 170,924 suicides, which is a 27% increase compared to 2018. The suicide rate per 100,000 people also rose from 10.2 in 2018 to 12.4 in 2022, the highest in over a decade. These numbers highlight the urgent need to focus on mental health. The Economic Survey of India, 2024-25, stresses that mental well-being must be part of the country's growth strategy. If mental health is neglected, it could harm the development of India's youth, who are key to the country's future. A 2024 study showed that suicides among young people led to more than $8.8 billion in lost productivity. Globally, suicide is the third leading cause of death among 15 to 29-year-olds. 73% of suicides occur in low and middle-income nations. The reasons behind suicide are complex and often involve a mix of social, psychological, and environmental factors that build up over time. If you or someone you know is struggling, help is available. Mental health helplines can offer support, and reaching out can make a difference.